Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to make a video call with someone in Discord Mobile. Whether you're catching up with friends, chatting with your gaming community, or just want to see someone face-to-face, Discord makes it super simple to start a video call right from your phone. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your account and connected to the internet. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see all your servers, chats, and friends listed. Next, tap on the messages icon at the bottom of your screen. This section shows your private conversations with other users. It's where you can view direct messages and start new ones. Now, find and open the chat of the person you want to video call. If you don't see their name right away, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate them. Simply tap on their username to open the conversation window. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a few icons. One of them looks like a small video camera. Go ahead and tap the video call icon to start your call. Discord will immediately start connecting you with that person, and if they accept, you'll see them appear on your screen. During the video call, you can switch between your front and rear cameras, mute your microphone, or even turn off your video if needed. You'll find all these controls right on your screen for quick access.